Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn on hotspot in your Microsoft Windows 8, 7, 8 and 10. First of all, you need to open the notepad and type this command as it is shown. I will also give it in the description. So it is netsh wlan set hosted network mode allow, and after that you have to set up the ssid for the name. As you know, it is the name of our Wi-Fi, and a key to protect this with a password. Then you need to type this command to start up the hosted network. Just save it as usual and save it as with the extension of start.bat file on your desktop or wherever you want, but if you save it on the desktop, it is very much easy. Close it. Then as you see, it is on desktop. Now again you need to create a notepad file. And now in this you have to type a command to stop your hotspot connection. Sorry, I mistakenly typed start here. It's a stop. Okay, save it with same procedure as you did with before notepad file. Now stop.bat. Okay, so now you need to save it. Save the file, and now you have to start it with the administration permission. So you need to open it by right clicking on it. Run as administrator and it will start up. Now you can see as on command prompt it is showing that the network is successfully started. Now your hotspot is running, and let's see our hotspot in our connections. Okay, open network and connections, and you can see that it is identifying our new virtual hotspot. Go to change adapter settings, and you can see here local area connection 3, which is our hotspot which we just created here. Now it is identifying. It will take, I think, 5 to 10 seconds, and now you need to share an internet connection through this virtual hotspot. So I think I cannot share this because I'm using another Wi-Fi on this PC on which I'm showing you. So if you guys have a connection or the USB or any kind of connection in your DSL connection on your computer, so you can share this this connection with your virtual hotspot. So you can see that I can't share because I'm using another Wi-Fi which is connected. I'm connected to another Wi-Fi, so that's why. So this is the procedure for setting up a hotspot on your Windows PC. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.